Good morning, everyone. This is Costello again, shooting a reel from Vietnam, from a resort named Vinpearl, located in Trang. I'll point out the breakfast area to you. It's a pretty clear, standard 5-star breakfast area. As you see here, you have the coffee station. I will let that gentleman go away. Some bacon, far away, nothing to reach or cross-contaminate for people who have dietary restrictions. A classic on the station, but looks pretty cool and clean with different topics. Plates, pretty fair and clean. Various items. That's a pretty cool treat. There's a Russian customers in here. Oh, actually, no, it's not beet. There's dragon fruit diced. Very wide array of fruits. Super duper coffee machine, as you see. And many stations. Definitely the cereal station. Korean looks like dietary. There's many Korean too. A waffle station. Looks like they make pancakes, and another station as well. A variety for every single need of food. Looks like it's a Vietnamese. Hello. Looks like it's a Vietnamese section here. They have their traditional soup made with beef and chicken. The Vietnamese like this in the morning. Oh, actually it says here Vietnamese cuisine corner. They call it pho. Kind of looks like so when they make it. Top it up with cilantro. You can adjust the flavors with those. Again, pretty nice salad corner. And of course, some morning pastries. It's December. The weather is pretty nice. It's not that hot as you think. It's pretty friendly. Again, here they have a station for a sandwich that is very popular in Vietnam called banh mi. And generally they fill with this pâtés and different stuff. Very interesting influence that French has over the Vietnamese cuisine. Vietnamese, they